Okay, so in the previous video, we learned Git basics, branching, merging, and merge conflicts. Okay, so now let us see how the code is merged professionally in real time. Okay, using pull request and code review concept. Okay, so now let us understand what is pull request. Okay, so pull request means, or I can say, I have finished my work in this branch. Okay, so I've created a branch and I've done my part of the work. So now I'm requesting the team to review and merge it to main. Okay, so this is what pull request is. Okay, and remember, in real time, we never push the code directly to main without review. Okay, so we always review. Okay, so now we'll see how to create pull request. And in the previous video we have created two branches and we push to main, correct? So now let us create pull request. Okay, so now I'm in this code. So one option is directly we can compare and pull request. We can click on here, or we can go to this pull request tab and here select new pull request. So here the base should be main and compare with, select the branch you want to compare. I will select feature branch conflict B. Okay, so and click on this pull request. Okay, so before that, what I'm saying is, here I'm saying GitHub to compare my branch with main. Okay, so here this is important. I'm asking the GitHub to compare my feature branch with main. Okay, so here I will click on this pull request. Okay, so after click on this, I need to give the title and description and I have to select the reviewer. Okay, so title is, so it is like summary of what the PRS does. So I can say that, um, I'll say fixing or fix URL validation issue. Okay, so if they see, they will come to know that this PR has code related to fixing the validate URL validation issue. Okay, and you have to enter the description. Okay, so this description should give the context of the issue. Like, if they see this, they should know that what is talking about, like what was changed and why it was changed. Okay, so you should give the context here. So I will just say test testing. Okay, but in real time you should give the context. Okay, what was changed and why it was changed. And here you have to select the reviewer. Okay, so if you click on it, so select the reviewer. Okay, so this is my another account. Just to show you, I have added as a contributor to this project. So click on it. So I've selected the reviewer. So remember that reviewer is responsible for validating the code before it goes to main. Okay, so now, so what I've done, I've added the title, description, and entered the reviewer. Now I'll click on create pull request. Okay, so now if I come to this pull request tab, it earlier it was nothing. Now you can see one. It means there is one pull request created. That is this one. Okay, so now I'll go to like, think it is an engineer A. Now I'll go to engineer B. Means I'll go to this account. Okay, so click on this repository. I'll just click on this. I'll show you. This is my another account. Okay, so here what I have to do, I have to review the code and I have to approve it. Okay, so how to do this? How to do this? Go to this pull request tab and click on this pull request. So here this is the title. Okay, so I will come to know that this fix has something to do with UR validation. Sorry, this URL validation. So click on this. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see the code. So before that, it is saying that this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. Okay. So here usually it will show, if you go to this file changed, it will show the what that conflict is. Okay, so earlier it was engineer B. Now I made it to engineer B 123. Okay, so remember to go to file changed. Here you can see what has changed. Okay, so click on this plus icon, and here you can write the comment. Okay, so this is called review comment. So I will say that um, I will comment or say that please review or please resolve conflict and update the PR. Okay, so I'll just added the comment and select add a single comment. Okay, so that's it. You don't have to do anything. And if you go back to engineer A, so here he will see that message. Okay, so I'll just refresh and I'll click on this pull request. Okay, so here in the conversation tab, so if you scroll down, here you can see this. Okay, so in the same line you can see that please resolve this conflict and update. Okay, so it is not always about the conflict. So like when you're reviewing, you think that the logic is not correct, or you think there is a different way you can achieve this. So whatever you think, to optimize the code, you can write that comment. Okay, so now I'm an engineer A, I have to resolve this a conflict. So how to do that? So here I cannot resolve. So what I have to do, I have to go to my Visual Studio Code. I have to resolve this. Okay, so go to this Visual Studio Code. So this is feature conflict B branch. So go to this branch. So conflict B branch is in this Playwright demo. Okay, so switch to this branch. So how to switch? You know that git checkout feature slash conflict B. I think spelling must be wrong. We'll see. Yeah, yeah, conflict. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, switch to this branch. Okay, so now I'll open that file. So what is that file? Final page. So I've come here. So they're saying this URL is wrong. So what I'll do, I'll make some changes to it. So I know that this is creating the problem. So I'll save. Okay, I saved. So now what I have to do, you have to push, correct? So we have to first stage. So git add. So now you commit it. So git commit yum. So I will say that um, resolve the conflict. Now you have to push it. So git push. So what branches conflict be with upstream branch. So push current branch set the remote as upstream. Use git upstream. So it is giving me this command to use. Let me use this. Okay. Okay. So now I've pushed. Okay. So this created a new branch. So we'll go to git and create a peer for this branch. Okay. So I'll go to pull request and click on new pull request. So here compare with, so it has a conflict B and conflict B. So I'll select, okay, so the error because I made a spelling mistake. Okay, so that's why it got created. Okay, so it should be small C, but I've given capital B and I made push the changes, so it created a new branch. Okay, okay, so I will select this. Okay, I'll just see once again. Yeah, this one. So I'll create pull request. So you know that you have to give title, description, and reviewer. Okay, so the title I'll give the same as given the last time. So what is the title? So I will say like fix URL validation issue, and description, testing, and reviewer. I'll choose me. Okay. Okay. So after this, click on this, create pull request. So I've created the pull request. Okay. So I should have given different name. Okay. So this is 18 minutes ago. This was old and this is now. Okay. So I'll delete this one. Do I have option to delete? Okay. Let it be. I'll see. We will delete it later. Okay. So now I will go to this one as automation engineer B. I will refresh and here we will see pull request 2. Okay. So I'll click on this and I will select the latest one. Okay. So this is 1 minute ago. I will select this. Okay. And so since I fixed this URL issue here, so it is now allowing me to merge. Okay, so you can see this merge pull request is enabled. Okay, so what I'll do, I will click on this merge pull request. Okay, so you can give the message and click on confirm merge. So now the code is merged to main. Okay. Okay, so this is how actually the merging to main happens by creating PR. Okay, so I will come here and refresh. So okay, it's already closed. Since both of them had the same name, it got merged. Okay, so so you can see this, there is no pull request. Okay, I've merged it. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand, this is very important. Okay, so creating PR and getting the review and addressing the review comments and merge it to main, or sometimes, or in some companies they call it merge it to master. Okay. Okay, so if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so creating PR is very easy. Just you have to make some changes and you have to create a branch and push it. Okay, so once you push it, here you'll be able to see that branch is created. Okay, you can go to this pull request and select new pull request, and here you have to select the branch. Okay, so here once you select the branch, so since I've already merged, there is nothing to merge or compare. So it will trigger the email, or yeah, sometimes it will trigger the email to the reviewer. Okay, so go to or as a reviewer, you'll be able to see this. Okay, so you can click on that pull request and you can review the code, and if you have any review comments you can give the review comments. Okay, so